Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you want to convert your desktop to a geek style look, then watch this video. First thing I'll do is go to the browser and look for e-idex space UI, and I will look for this link GitHub Git Squared, and I will scroll down, click on the right hand link, and then I will scroll down and I will download these links. But how do I know which link to download? I will look for system information and look at my system type. I have a x64 based system, so I'll download the x64 based link. If you have an x86 based PC, you need to download the 32-bit link. So x64.exe, here it is, and I will keep it. Once I open the folder, I will install it, and then I will click on the shortcut to start this program. You can see that it opens in a geek style way. And this is the ultimate geek look on your desktop. You have a PowerShell button here, or the PowerShell panel here. You can access your shortcuts here. You have your CPU percentages and all the other things. You have a world view here and your network traffic and the digital keyboard. If you want to change any settings, press the Control Shift and S key, and you can change the settings here. You can change the program to from PowerShell to the command prompt, any other thing. Just remember, once you change the values, click on Save Disk and click on Restart edex. And if you want to exit this window, then just press the Control and the F4 key, or the Alt and the F4 button, and it should exit. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.